In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Discord quickly and easily. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by connecting your Discord with various apps, Zapier is the tool you need. I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that you can set it up in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to Zapier's website. You'll want to open your web browser and type in zapier.com. This is your go-to place for automating workflows between your favorite apps. Zapier allows you to connect apps with Zaps, which are automated workflows that can save you a significant amount of time. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Log In and enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, now would be a good time to do so. Having an account is essential as it allows you to save your workflows and come back to them whenever you need. After logging in, navigate to the Zapier home by clicking on Zapier Home. This is essentially your dashboard where you'll find an overview of your existing Zaps. But since we're setting up a new connection today, we're going to focus on how to create something new. Next, you should click on App Connections. This area is important because it's where you can link different applications together. It provides a list of current connections, and you'll see an option to add new ones. Then, click Add Connection. This button allows you to start integrating a new app with Zapier. In this tutorial, we're focusing on Discord, so go ahead and search for Discord using the search bar provided. This is where the real magic begins, as you're about to blend the functionality of Discord with the automation power of Zapier. Once you find Discord in the list, click on it. This will direct you to the integration page for Discord, where you can begin setting up the connection. By connecting Discord, you'll be able to automate a variety of tasks, whether it's sending messages or managing your channels. Finally, click Add Connection. Once more to link Discord with your Zapier account. You'll be prompted to authorize this connection, making sure you give the required permissions to enable seamless integration. Follow the on-screen instructions, and just like that, you're set up and ready to create workflows. With this done, you've successfully connected Discord to Zapier. This means you can now start creating Zaps to automate your Discord activities. Whether you're sending welcome messages to new members or triggering notifications for specific events, the possibilities are limitless. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Zapier with Discord, efficiently connecting the two to enhance productivity. Enjoy your newfound automation capabilities.